Well, I think the most exciting thing is we're partway through a revolution, driven, I think, by two great forces coming together. One is shoppers and consumers are fundamentally changing the way in which they do things, and clearly the digital world and the advance of artificial intelligence and also robotics generally. Increasingly, when you go to a food factory, in many sectors it's more like a car factory where everything is done by machines. There is a high degree of automation. Retailers are experimenting with robots to do replenishment in stores, to do store cleaning, to guide shoppers, to be there as a source of amusement for children, etc. So I think if you look around the world, you'll see quite a lot of interesting developments. Some markets really will exploit new technology, I think, that we see emerging. I think, secondly, is the way in which we're going to define competition going forward is very different. From a shopper's point of view, am I going to shop in a physical shop or am I going to do it online? Is my preference to be in a really large store or is my preference to be in a small one? Do I feel predisposed to cook at home, or actually, do I want to eat on the go or eat out more generally? And I think those are the things that will actually define the success of business as we go forward. Those three very distinct competitive arenas. And the interesting thing is, if we look around the world, we see almost universally that those trends which kind of suggest that online, small shops, eating out is the direction of travel. And therefore we all need to think about that in our businesses and the way in which we plan for the future.